What is it, guys? Joe Blown back here. This is my 4th race of the day. We're here at Phoenix, and we're going to be doing 16 laps. I'm going to do the first 2 little practices quick, and I'll be right back for qualifying. Alright, guys, we ended up finishing 3rd in the both practices. So I forgot to tell you, I did damage and failures thing. I do it full, so hopefully that gives little red flags, DNFs, because I want to add something like that. If I don't know what that is, guys, let me know. Comment in this video. So we're going to do qualifying, guys. There's 2 rounds. First round is 5 minutes, and last round is 3 minutes. So let's see how good I can do.
Come on, let's do this now. It's time to go to work.
So we're coming off pit road. Phoenix is my track, guys, so this could be a track where I go to victory lane, so watch out. This could be a track where I go to victory lane. I have a very fast car here, but remember, I'm racing Chase Elliott, so maybe Chase Elliott's car is different.
Lights all clear, bud.
Oh, I had to check up hard there. Oh, I'm not going to get a good lap here. No, I didn't get beat by Jimmy Johnson. Now I got beat. I'm continuing to get beat. Remember, you have to make it in the top 12 in order to advance to the next round. So we're currently running in the top 5. Very happy with that. Wait time 1.
Okay,
Oh, we can go 2 minutes too. Alright, 2 minutes of wait time, guys. So we're currently 9th. Hopefully no one else beats my lap. Now we're in 10th. Oh, now we're out. Alright, I gotta make this lap good right here. Alright, we're running 14th. Oh, I think I checked up a little late. Don't matter. Alright, guys, sorry. Alright, I'm good.
Let's go to work now, buddy. Come on.
Alright, we'll have at least one more lap. Oh, I think I overdrove it a little. Able to stay in line. Alright, we got a little bit of fast lap right there. Alright, just get my last lap right here, guys.
Good work out there. Complete this lap. We're done. High side's clear. 1 down low.
Alright. I see you, Brian Vickers. I qualified 26, guys. Alright. Another bad qualifying session. Alright, so, anyway, who's on the pole?
I have a lot of faith in you there, driver.
So, Jeff Gordon is on the pole. Carlos Clipboard, Case Kane. And look who's starting 10th. AJ Allmendinger in the 47. Who's bad driver starting in the back. 33, Ty Dolan. 16, Greg Biffle. The 1 and McMurray. Alright, so anyway, qualifying's over. It's race time now. 26. That's my best qualifying session that's not a restricted racing. Alright, so we're racing, guys, 16 laps around Phoenix. Mike Joy, Darrell Waltrip have the call.
Welcome to Fox Sports coverage of the Subway Fresh Fit 500. Mike Joy with Darrell Waltrip for this annual Duel in the Desert.
Mike, it's an interesting racetrack. It's 1 mile. It's been reconfigured, and they got that dog leg up the back, and that opened up some passing lanes, if you will. You can cut that dog leg, but you got to be careful when you come back up on the track.
The 1 mile Phoenix International Raceway sits in stark contrast to
So
the
Jeff
2.5
Gordon's
mile
on the
Super
pole.
Speedway at
Starting
Daytona.
first, Carl Edwards starts second for the second time in a row. Clint Boyer starts third. And Casey Caton starts fourth. There's the Subway Fresh Fit 500 trophy. So who's going to win in the desert? We'll see in 16 laps. See, I'm starting the outside. The pace car is off. And here we go. We are racing at Phoenix. Oh, I got a big boost because Matt Kenseth spun the tires. Decided to dig on the low lane here. Trying to bump and run Labonte.
Car approaching high.
Dive on the apron here.
Car high.
Oh, Justin Allgaier, don't take up my lane. Alright, send Allgaier up in the wall.
Clear right.
Underneath Kenseth, now Almirola.
Bottom. Clear left.
I love Phoenix, guys.
Car outside. Back your
Track
door.
I am very amazing at. Oh, I went on the apron a little. Yeah, you'll see a lot of cars come in the apron in like this part of the track.
Go low.
I checked up a little early. Oh, I'm on the apron again. Tony Stewart in the wall. He's hard in the wall. Caution out. I clipped Tony Stewart in the wall because I was on the apron and I had really no room. First caution of the day, guys. So that'll save me some fuel.
Pit road's open.
So, happy for that. We'll be restarting in the 16th. I'm happy with that. Alright, so let's see how good we can do.
Okay, here
We're
we
restarting in the outside, though, not where I want to be. Restart next to Bobby Bonnie. Hopefully I get some help from Kyle Larson, the 42. Labonte has no help, so that'll help me.
Like we said today, nice and smooth.
Oh, Labonte didn't spun the tires.
Got car behind. One
I was
inside.
trying to, guess it because I checked up early and I thought they'd give me an advantage. But it didn't.
Okay, let's go. Let's go. Step it up. Car down low. Go high. On your bumper.
Outside of Casey Mears for 25th.
Clear down low.
Alright, guys, I'm sorry about all the pauses.
Low.
Alright, get down.
Car approaching
Maybe
low.
I'll try and go way high here and get a wall draft.
3 wide, 2 inside.
See, everyone decided to go low.
One on
And
the
apparently
bottom.
that didn't work.
One
Oh, I
outside.
got loose because Edwards was at my
3
bottom.
wide, 2 outside.
Down goes Kurt Busch.
Low side's
Bobby
clear.
Labonte is on pit road. No caution for the 41.
High. Just keep a good pace. You're doing good.
Oh, there I go. Caution's out.
Great
Caution's out.
save. You are
Oh.
the man.
Alright, this time by, guys, when we cross start finish line, we have 10 laps to go. So I almost make contact with Edwards again.
Got car closing on your outside. Car inside, trying to get to your corner. Go high.
Here
Go
comes
high.
Edwards on the bottom.
Clear up top. Inside's clear.
10 to go.
Clear
Regan
right side.
Smith way up high. I shoved him a little bit, so that's why he's up high.
Clear up high. Car on the bottom, 3 back. Car inside, just looking. 9 to go.
I'm going to go up high here.
Clear low.
Underneath Austin Dillon.
Car high. Keep the momentum. Let's go. Right's all clear, bud. Low side.
Alright, there we go, there we go, there we go. Guess what? Oh, Edwards can't get off my bumper. He started second, so he's falling back early. Halfway through this race, guys. Time now for race recap as Yaley gets loose. So there's been one caution. It was for me after I got into Tony Stewart. He got in the outside wall, and I've been trying to make up positions. Have been stuck in the top 20s. Can't get any farther than that. So that's your race recap. As Bain slides up in the wall with Edwards. Bain was right at my bumper, and somehow he saved it. Well, Austin Dillon slowed me down. I tried to move in front of Hamlin, but Hamlin beat me. There's Dillon's going around. Bain on two front wheels.
One down low.
3 wide. I'm in the middle.
Nice pass. Far inside. 3 wide, too low.
Up to 24th now.
Far inside you. Go high.
Stay low here.
Put on the left. Holding up top. One up top.
Edwards on the outside. Oh, and I made contact with Smith.
We're on the high side.
6 to go, and on the line we will have 5 to go.
Inside.
5 to go. Say that at the same time. Oh, I made contact with Ty Dillon in the 33.
Right's clear.
Dillon underneath me. Able to pass him.
Looking really good, buddy.
Dang it, I don't think we're going to be coming to victory lane today, guys. Thought this was a track where we could come to victory lane, and I don't think we'll be coming to victory lane. Maybe we'll be able to crack the top 10, but I don't know. Make contact with Hamlin again. 40 laps to go. Hamlin going around, able to save it though. That would have been disastrous right there.
One inside.
Yaley, I give Yaley a bump.
Keep it low. Keep it low. Clear high. Car up top. Just looking.
There comes Yaley with the bump and run on me.
Car inside you. Inside.
Had to check up, guys. I was about to hit the wall, and I did. 3 to go. I think I'll probably be good on field the rest of the race. All depends.
At your door up top.
Down 26.
Right side's clear. He's coming on the inside. It's too fast, man. Check up. Check up.
2 laps to go around Phoenix.
2 to go. Closing on the bottom.
Whoa, just able to get Dillon on the bottom. He's trying to do a bump and run on me. It won't work. As the white flag's out, final lap. 1 to go around Phoenix International Raceway. Oh, my right. The right side of my left front tire is gone. And I got trouble in like my right front axle. Doesn't matter though, the race is over.
Checkers, buddy.
Kyle Busch will win. And I will come in 28th. Let's see if I can pass Denny Hamlin. Nah, I'm not going to get there. Alright guys, another bad race. 28th for us.
Come on, buddy. You gotta work for that money. You deserve a better finish than that.
26.
That's the way it goes sometimes.
28, 26, whatever. I think I was 26. 28th, I meant.
It's a long season, buddy.
Alright, let's see the results.
Building up some of those points.
Alright, so Kyle Busch finished first, leading 2 laps. Ricky Stenhouse Jr. finished second, leading 11 laps. Casey Kane finished fourth, leading 2 laps. So Kyle Busch had the fastest lap of the race. Ricky Stenhouse Jr. led the most laps. And Carl Edge finished 24th, leading 1 lap, as I finished 26. Alright. Must have been I passed some other car that was on pit road. Bio Bonnie 2 laps down. Alright, anyway, guys, so we'll be at All Club next video. See ya.